Today we're gonna make the famous BAMI, the Surinamese spaghetti. Delicious with stewed chicken, pickled onions and cucumber, plantain, some sambal. Welcome back to my channel, guys, cooking with Feffie. First, you're gonna need 1 pack of spaghetti. You're gonna bring some water to a boil with a bit of salt in it. Add your spaghetti and let that cook until it's soft, not too soft. In the meantime, you're gonna leave your little helpers like mine. Chop 4 garlic cloves and 1 onion. He's amazed. Then you're gonna strain your spaghetti. And then you're gonna add your oil to the pot. About 4 tablespoons of oil. You're gonna add some sliced ginger. And yes, everyone makes it differently. This is my recipe. You want to add shrimp paste, go ahead, your recipe. You want to add laos and trafassi seasoning, go ahead, that's your recipe. Then you're going to fry your onion and your garlic. Oh yeah, if you haven't subscribed already, please do. You don't want to miss any of my other videos. You're going to leave that fry until it's golden brown. And then you're gonna add some of your spices, some Maggi cubes, some brown sugar. And yes, I know people like brown sugar in food. My soy sauce is salty. I like to balance it out with some brown sugar. If you're gonna use sweet soy sauce, you don't wanna add sugar. But if you're gonna use the salty soy sauce, add some sugar. Then you're gonna mix this up. You can also add a bit of salt to liking. Sometimes you can add the salt at the end, but I prefer to fry together with my onion and garlic. Then you're gonna add your soy sauce. I like to add a bit of water, otherwise it gets really sticky. And then you're gonna bring that to a boil, leave it simmer, nice and bubbly. And then you're going to add your spaghetti. Also, you know, you don't need to use spaghetti. People are like, spaghetti? Yes, you can also use chow mein. You can use meat noodles, egg noodles, whatever noodles you please. I prefer to use spaghetti, pasta spaghetti. By the way, this is the soy sauce that I use. It's Pearl River Bridge, mushroom flavor. It's nice and dark. I also use it for my stew chicken. And then you're gonna leave your BAMI fry on medium heat. Add your celery. This is the fine soepgroente celery that I buy at the toko. And I think they usually do sell it in the supermarkets. Chop it up nicely, add to your pan, mix it up again. Let it cook for another 5 minutes. Also on medium-low heat, low-medium heat. Also on low-medium heat. And it's done. Really, it's such a quick and easy recipe. And don't forget to try out my stew chicken recipe video, because this is what completes the nasi and BAMI dish. The sauce is what makes it the dish. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take a look at my other videos. I have playlists on different kind of snacks and Caribbean dishes, Surinamese dishes. Look at that sauce. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Until the next time. Bye.